So here we are this morning going for our PCR test so that we can take our chartered helicopter and get over to the States.
Yay.
We're heading from St. Thomas to
Kitchener
for our test, and then we're back to Jolie's for the evening. And then
we're homeless.
And we're homeless. Last night was the last night in our house, and we took full advantage of it by going for a swim. I took a shower after all of the grimy moving and all the nasty things that happen when you're clearing out a house. And it's a very unique feeling to have all of our stuff in one spot in this truck. So both our lives combined, all of our things in one truck, traveling down to Florida. And here we are.
Yay.
Anything to add, Dave?
I did. I said yay.
Yay. Yay. We're recording. Yes, we're recording.
Is it on? Is it on? Hello? We are sitting in Niagara Falls, Canada, getting ready to head to the airport for our flight to Niagara Falls, USA, and to
Helicopter flight.
chartered.
Woot woot!
And then we're going to drive down to Annapolis, and hopefully we're going to see the first of the boats we're going to tour with our new broker.
And as you can tell, we're really excited.
Last big hurdle putting everything together is getting across the border legally and safely and all that. We passed our PCR tests. I didn't even study. So.
And just to prove I'm a kid at heart, one of the things I always do when I'm in a hotel room is jump over to the other bed. You can't see me now. And then they gotta jump back. We're getting out of Canada. We're going to find a boat. Shh, don't tell no one.
Clear.
So everyone, this is Jeremy.
Hi everybody.
And we're taking our helicopter flight right now.
Yeah, you're on your headsets now.
everyone.
Where we're on our way to Solomons, Maryland. We're going to take a look at the first cat on our list. It is a Lagoon 380. It's a 4-cabin. It's got a lot of new stuff on it. And we're going to take a look at it and see what we think and get some feedback back to our broker and see if we can put them on the right track to finding our home. Who knows, maybe it'll be this one.
So this will be the first one that we see. And I already said we're not buying the first one that we see. We've got a lot to see. And we'll keep you tuned in for sure. Talk
As
to
we
you
head
then.
to sea.
Bye for now. Hi everyone.
Hi guys. Day one of our boat search. We're starting in Solomons Island, Maryland, and we're on a Lagoon 380. This is a 4-cabin version. It's a little bit smaller boat, which we actually like. This one has a custom hardtop bimini, 4-cabin layout. There's a dinghy more or less, dinghy davits, a ton of solar, which we really like. And it's a well laid out boat. We haven't been on a Lagoon 380 before, and I guess there's a reason these are as popular as they are. So we're going to take you on a little wander about the boat, see what we like and what we think could be improved on a little bit, and come on along.
Here we go. This is our first official boat tour.
This cat is on the Hard. We're in Solomons Island, Maryland, and taking a look from the port sugar scoop. There's a mount for the outboard. There's davits for the dinghy. There's a really cool setup for a solar array. Lots of solar on here. And lots of grab holds and so forth underneath the custom fiberglass bimini. I like that. The wheel is Lisa sized. She's got a great view over the coach roof. That Dodger comes down pretty easy for nice weather.
My size. It's great.
There's no chart plotter, but there is instruments underneath. So we've got our engine instruments, our gauges, throttle controls, and compass. The wheel is leather wrapped, so it's nice.
This part's nice.
This part is very nice.
Yes, there is a lot of great handholds. Handholds. And that's important, especially if, of course, the boat is doing some rocking.
From sailing.
So you don't go, ah! The other thing I really liked about this boat, the dolphin seats. The princess seats. They are quite comfy.
Good.
Yeah. I'm not too big on this type of trampoline because it's going to be it's really hard on the feet. Not big at all on that.
The chain is in really good shape. We have the chain line locker. And over here we have a portable generator and a pile of jerry cans. I'm not sure where the fenders are stored. Self-furling jib. The sail seems to be in pretty good shape. The sail bag is in very good shape.
Only there's no zip on the top of it. Zip it up. So there's probably some water damage.
Yeah, it's a little odd. You can't, there's no way to seal the bag. There's no zipper, there's no Velcro. That would have to be improved on. But the lazy jacks and the lining are all in really good shape.
And a hard bimini.
And the bimini has water catchment, which I like.
And there's all the solar.
Solar. Wind generator.
Easy to get around. I also like that.
Yeah, this is a really easy boat to walk around.
This is Lisa size. This is great.
All right, should we head back?
Yeah.
Of course, we would be taking all of this off the lifelines, all of this mesh. We don't need that.
The tender is in bad shape, though.
The tender definitely needs some work.
It's looking a little sad.
A little rough around the edges. But some of that is just, it's got a chaps on it, and the chaps are looking rough.
You think the chaps are protecting it?
Maybe. We'll have to have a better look. It didn't look very protected underneath. But here's the hose for the water catchment system. Pass-through shelf.
Yep.
Cockpit is tiny, but it's very functional and lots of sitting space. I'd want to put some cushions on it, and I think there's cushions inside for it. The tabletop feeds one engine, and it's not exactly a flush entry into the salon. However, once you're done tripping over yourself, you get into the salon. To the left, we have a nav station with a fixed stool, your electrical controls.
And the dolphin helping.
Over here we have the settee and salon table. Is that hard to squeeze around, or can you get back there? Or?
There's stuff in the way.
Yeah, the cushion needs to be the cushions need to be redone. They do have slip covers on them now. It looks like it's got 220 and 110 electrical, so there's been a conversion done at some time. And like there's a little bit of kitchen storage and so forth, so
The galley needs updating for sure.
yeah, galley needs some work. And the speaker needs a grill. Can't have that. So it's got a 3-burner stove with an oven. It's got a double stainless sink with a saltwater pedal, I believe. Nope, it's a freshwater pedal for the sink.
Remember we read that?
Yes, sort of remember. And it looks like it's got a second spigot. I wonder if that's for a water for filtrated water or not.
That's what it would be for.
Yep.
Would you like to start?
Well, if you've seen one side, you've seen them both. So we're going to go below. This is the 4-cabin model, so both sides are identical.
It is a steep decline down to the hall.
This is the port forward cabin. Plenty of storage underneath. There's tools and supplies and all kinds of stuff. Life jackets and so forth. Shelving.
Storage.
More storage.
More storage.
The stern cabin. This one has battery hookups and so forth because the batteries are under here. You got your lockers. 220 power hookup and switches. Obviously we're not hooked up to any power right now up on the hard. There's your escape hatch. And over here we've got our battery bank. Starter batteries and so forth. On the other side we have stowage of, there's a pile of tools and a water maker. All good. But here's where we have an issue for Lisa and I.
This is where everything falls down.
Hello. Both sides of the boat are wet heads.
We are looking
Manual
for a
head.
dry head. At least one side to be a dry head.
We need at least one dry head in the boat, yeah.
It's just
The other
not
side's exactly
great.
the same.
There.
2-blade props. The bottom's not in bad shape.
well for round 2. Jumped on the second bed.